This top box is composed of the box itself plus a base plate that attaches to the motorcycle's luggage rack. I reversed the order of the extenders here because my luggage rack is not made of tubing but is instead made of flat metal similar to the base plate itself, and thus I needed the mounting brackets to be closer to the luggage rack. The inner lining came out very easily so I could screw the box onto the plate, and then it went back in very easily as well, and everything closes up just fine. The box has a locking latch which includes 2 keys. I was happy I can fit my shoes, an extra jacket, a hat, my inflator. I could actually fit quite a few other things in here, but those are the things I had handy for this video. I do keep the tools that I use to mount the system in a handy little pocket there, which I discovered in the lid. And I think it looks good. I mean, it definitely, changes the look of the bike. I did put the included reflectors, which you saw there, on the bike just to add a little safety. And I feel like I'm kind of looking like a British postal worker or courier of some kind. This little padded foam backrest was something I didn't anticipate. It's actually a little soft and squishy for a pillion. And here I am at a coffee shop storing my helmet in there instead of locking it onto my handlebars, which I thought was an added bonus. I hope you found this video useful, and safe riding to you.